One of the ways that we preserve and transmit culture at Lawrenceville has been through the dining experience and breaking bread together. The unifying experience of coming together in the houses of the Circle and the Crescent is a very important part of that. And Abbott provides a spectacular setting for the fifth form year in which that can happen.
There's a lot of connection, a lot of thought into how to make the building feel more than a dining hall. For 18-year-olds to have this as their dining room, it's a bit mystical, the place. It's shrouded in history. It feels like it's been here forever. Hopefully they'll take along a deeper connection to the school and to the school's past and think about the school's past.
It really means something to the fifth form to have their own dining space. I think it's super cool. From the smaller booth sections to just the way that the beauty of the kitchen and then the other meeting rooms, I think the building itself is gorgeous.
The whole project is about love and loyalty. How to engender really great friendships in the students' final year here at Lawrenceville. So important, and making a space that really feels as if it kind of exudes Lawrenceville. The beautiful arches on the facade really reference directly to the original Peabody and Stearns architecture. And the tower with the beautiful domed ceiling was something that we invented to really organize the composition.
A lot of thought went into how to make the building beautiful, but what would make this building Lawrenceville? So we first looked at Abbott with a flat ceiling because that would be cheaper to not destroy the roof. But it just didn't look in the drawings like Lawrenceville. The chapel used to be the heart and soul of the campus. Even people who are not religious go into the chapel and just lose their breath with the vaulted ceiling, the dark beams, the curves against the triangles. It's just magic. So we felt that Abbott needed a vaulted ceiling.
Schools that know their history, that preserve their traditions, stay strong, and there's a clarity of purpose and mission. And architecture is an enduring and powerful way to do that. Abbott has a number of features. The scalloped brickwork, which echoes Boy's Upper, the beautiful trusses on the interior that come from the chapel, and of course the whimsical brass inlay in the floor, which are full of stories of the past and will be a source of speculation for generations of students. All of those elements embed history in the building and make it come to life.
Every time you come in the building, you find another little detail that catches your eye. The cockroaches on the floor, or the fact that the candles aren't actually real candles and the wax, it's made to look like a dripping candle. Aesthetically, there's so many really cool things about this building.
I have the distinct pleasure of welcoming you to what is truly an auspicious occasion. We are particularly honored to have with us Barbara Stefan, whose husband John, class of 1959, provided the extraordinary foundation for the renovation you see, and trustee Jeremy Mario, class of 1988, representing the Mario family, which joined the Stefans in supporting the project. Abbott is an extraordinary embodiment of such historic continuity thanks to the Stefans, the Mario family, and the work of other dedicated individuals who participated in the building's design, construction, and devotion to historic preservation.
I get to stand up here as a representative of my family. We have a family foundation that prioritizes education, free minds, free markets, and architectural historic preservation. And so it was a natural confluence that led us to be supporting a project like this one. We've had the good fortune to work on a number of projects here at Lawrenceville over the years, and in each case, we haven't been the lead. We've tried to support the people who have come forward to say, let's take that hill. There's a reason that this place has been so great for 200 years, and you see a lot of that in the archives, and you see it in this building. Thank you. We're pleased to be able to team with such great people and great Laurentians and enjoy this.
Thank you. Great words, Jeremy and Wes. Can I now call Barbara and Jeremy up to assist in the ribbon cutting? Thank all of you for being here today. And for the fifth form, welcome to Abbott Dining Hall, and you've got a wonderful meal ahead of you tonight. Thank you very, very much.
It's been such a privilege to work on this building and to create something that we hope will be meaningful for many generations to come.
I definitely think Abbott will become the heart and soul of the fifth form. What a treat for this class to walk in and have their own building as magnificent as this.
John and Barbara made no small plans when they envisioned this spectacular project. And with Wes's help really shepherding the project to completion, we have a tremendous, tremendous asset that will benefit the school for a long, long time to come.